A bright, sunny morning, Milo and Ducky walk in a forest. Milo, meow. What a beautiful day, Ducky. Ducky, quack, quack. I wonder what we'll see today. They hear a faint, gentle gurgling sound and stop. Milo, meow. Is that a sleepy stream? Ducky, quack. Let's follow it. They follow a path, stepping over a log and leaves. They push through bushes and see a waterfall. Milo, meow, a secret waterfall. Ducky, quack, 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 it's so pretty. Milo and Ducky sit smiling. Milo, meow, our secret. Ducky, quack, our secret waterfall.